This is Craig the Detail Pro on location in Fort Myers. I just started working on this Neon's headlight. As you can see, I started sanding this. Gotta sand this, and I haven't touched this one yet. You can see how badly oxidized they are. Okay, I'm gonna try to make these look crystal clear again. Okay, I'll film them when I'm finished. To that left and the right. Okay. Okay, I just got done working on the right headlight, driver's side. You can see how nice she turned out. I hit that little light there also. I'm not done wiping it down. I need to wipe the rest of that residue off of there, but it looks pretty good. I got my sealer, my Teflon sealer on there. And this is what the other one looks like. Now I got to do that, and I figure about 15 minutes I'll be done with that one. And there you can see the difference. Okay. Craig the Detail Pro. I just got through with this Dodge Neon and it looks pretty good. You can see the lights. Got the little ones and the big ones. And a close shot. I don't know, it might be too close. And that's it. This is Craig the Detail Pro signing off. Well, if you want your headlights done, this costs $40. Actually $39, and he tipped me $1. So it took me about 35 minutes to do these headlights. Alrighty, Craig the Detail Pro signing off.